Not saying I'm always right, but I've once highlighted that the budget of local government, it has nothing to do with national issues. Meaning these things of foreigners and all of it, they are beyond your mayoral candidate and your district mayoral candidate or your metro mayoral candidate per se. Those things are for the DA and other departments which are led by other GNU partners. They are national issues. There is no home affairs of a local government. I'll give you example like in Polokwane at Sishiwo, there is a home office at the municipal building, but the home affairs is not under municipality. It is still a national thing. It's not a provincial or a local government thing. It's a national department that is renting from a building in, what do you call that? In Seychelles, which belongs to the government, with the local government. The only thing that local government does there, or that has authority there, is to make sure that the home affairs have electricity. If they are using fiber from local government, then they will use that local government fiber. If they want water for you when you are there being thirsty and all of those things, they will use the water from there also. But anything that happens inside the building is beyond the control of the local government. I'll give you another example. In Polokwane, there is another home affairs at the CBD. The owner of that building is a private business owner. It used to be a spa there. Now there is a home affairs there, meaning the owner of that so-called spa building, their own responsibilities to make sure that they pay for their water bills and electricity bills and also waste and management services bills. But nothing, there is nothing that they can do to make sure that home affairs is functioning, is getting rid of immigrants and so on and so forth. That is all up to the national government. And the day you guys actually understand that and how government functions, you will see that you are barking at the wrong trees. You are taking wrong people for wrong reasons. It doesn't matter if your mayoral candidate is from your mayor or your councillor is from the PA, the EFF or Action SA and so on and so forth. They don't have powers to get rid of other people in the country or in the city.